morning. Has it got to 23rd already? My God, 23rd of November. As you can see here, I've got the heater running, this portable heater. I've got it running on one. I've done a few mods to it, as you can see. I've strapped on the side a secondary tank, and the slots in the side of this red bit, on the side of here, you have to believe me, to see the fuel level. So with these clear tanks, I can see both sides, because I want to run this on black diesel, engine oil mixed with diesel, to see if it would run. So this is my experimental thing. I've also purchased a three-way, is it a three-way, two-way changeover switch, so I can change tanks. I wasn't very happy with the arrangement. It was a bugger to fit. I'm looking now for something a bit better. But I've been on a buying spree as usual, because I've got to do Deborah's camper. So I bought a new exhaust pipe, a new piece of exhaust pipe, which was an astonishing, how much was it? $30 for 3 meters. 3 meters of it. Now it's a lot better than the stuff that comes with your regular heater, because this is really stiff, but it's not as supple as the Webasto one. Yeah, so that's it. So now it's pointing outside the door. Somebody did mention you shouldn't have the pipe pointing upwards. Yes, I know, but that's all I had at the time. Now, what else have I got on my list? Yeah, I've got to do this through into Deborah's caravan, the other one. And I found this little item on Amazon too. What is it? Well, you bolt your heater to it, and then there's like a wall distancing the exhaust from plywood floor. It is actually meant for RVs, that's recreational vehicles in English. Regular price on that is $36. But my friends, I always have a look at Amazon returns, because this was a return item. Never been fitted. $13. So I couldn't make one for that, so that was that. I've also bought another controller, that was $40. But I was browsing through Alibaba, as you do, and I found not only the controller, not only the remote, but the motherboard for these heaters for an astonishing $4.95. That can't be true. Anyway, I ordered 3. We'll see if they come and we'll see if they work, because we can easily install them into this little unit. That's what I want it for. Now, when I do, excuse me, when I do my experiments using the black diesel, I'll be doing this outside. I won't be doing it in the shop, so it's not so messy. But I just wanted to make sure the changeover switch was working and not leaking. What else did I buy? Controller. Oh, the fuel tank here. Nifty little piece of kit, isn't it? $43 with the fitting kit. And the fitting kit, the pipe outlet here, has got a little filter in it, so it's like belt and braces. You're not going to put dirty fuel into it. So that was nice. What else? I think that's about it for now. Yeah, I'm going to go and do Deborah's caravan sometime this week. It's been bloody cold. Oh, that was one hot tip I was going to tell you. When you've got these hoses here, when you've got these hoses like this, and they've been a bit scrunched up, as they usually do through shipping, a socket is a perfect diameter for that. Absolutely perfect. And also, if you want to put a nice 90-degree bend on, or even more, you can do it without cutting fingers off. See? Easy, that, isn't it? They like that one. So that's it for now. Just a little bit of Sunday morning mess about. But like I say, I've got this all working now. The controller's working. Everything's fine. Now, just talking about controllers, I bought another controller. Yeah, I've got loads of them. I bought yet another controller from, where was it now? Oh, Vivo Las Vegas. And it wasn't for this unit. I realised it wasn't for this unit. It was this type. Alright? And it talks to you. But I couldn't get it to work properly. The reason was the plugs are different. So I changed over the plug and it still wouldn't work. So I've got an open ticket with Amazon, with the Vivo, to see what they can do about it. But yeah, but the remotes and things like this and the controller boards here, they're really cheap. I mean, how much was that one? $40. I'm sure you can get them cheaper, but I just wanted one next day. So that was good. That's all we have to report. But this is working fine. We'll shut it down now, and then sometime this week we shall do a test outside. I hope you're looking forward to that. See you later.